Everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the page not available your IT administrator has limited access error in Windows 11 or 10. This issue can sometimes occur due to restriction set by Windows Defender, but don't worry, I will guide you through the steps to resolve it. To do this, open PowerShell with administrator privileges. Click on the Start menu, search for PowerShell and then click on it and select Run as Administrator. Once PowerShell is open, copy and paste the command provided in the video description into the PowerShell window. After pasting the command, press Enter. This command will check for any default threat action and remove them if needed. If something is removed, you will see a confirmation message. When the process is complete, restart your computer and after the restart, check to see if the error is gone. In most cases, this simple fix should resolve the problem. That's it. You have successfully fixed the page not available error. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.